Hey everyone, it's Connor from Koyfin here. Today I'm going to share a very quick update on our Watchlist tool. If you remember previously, we used to have a news button up here. We've transformed this into a quick actions dropdown to include scatter plots. So now when you click this dropdown, you'll have the option to add a news overlay or a scatter plot. Similar to how the news function works, when you open this news window, it's going to be based on the universe of stocks that you have in your watch list. So you can look through this news feed, you can read all of these press releases, filings, news, and transcripts for the companies in this watch list. Right now I have a FTSE 100, which are UK companies, but now I have the ability to add a scatter plot over that watch list as well. So going back to quick actions, I'm going to open the scatter plot. And like the news window, it's going to open up a scatter plot that I can play around with directly from the watch list. Up here in the top left-hand side, you're going to be able to express the relationship between any two variables on an X and Y basis. You can see I have market cap on the X-axis and EV to sales on the Y-axis. You can change these at your leisure as well. So if I want to look at year-to-date returns, I can go ahead and select that from our database. On the left-hand side, we display all of that information in the scatter plot for you. You can zoom around and change how you look at this by using your mouse. You can also change the Y and X axis by clicking on these gear icons up here and down here. You have a slider here if you want to reposition the size of the table and the chart. And on the right-hand side, we give you all of this information itemized in the table. You can, of course, share this chart when you've created something that you like the look of as well. Now, for each watch list, you're going to have this quick actions drop down. So if I have a watch list here, which is all of my model portfolios that I've created, I can also now pull those into a scatter plot and look at them based on some variables. So let's go to asset specific. We'll take model portfolio. We'll put Sharpe ratio on the X-axis and we'll keep year-to-date return on the Y-axis. So now we have all of my models in the scatter plot as well. Now, the fact that we've replaced the news button with this quick actions dropdown suggests that we want to add more quick actions to this window. So if you have any recommendations of what you'd like to see in this quick actions dropdown, let us know in the comments. You can reach out to us on Twitter at KoyfinCharts, which is our handle across all social media. Our help desk is help@koyfin.com. Until next time, thank you.